Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing out on the beautiful Sarasota Bay on our 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. If you can see the smile on my face, you know what this boat does. So I'm gonna start at the back right now, and we're gonna move forward, and I'm gonna show you just how incredibly packed with features this boat is. If you wanna set the sandbar that you're on fire, this is the boat to do it on. So let's check it out, guys. The very back of this boat, she's a black hull boat, so we're sticking with the theme with black 250 V8s from Mercury. These are equipped with joystick steering, which gives you skyhook, a GPS feature to stay on place, as well as just incredible control all around the dock, cruise control, autopilot capabilities. They're incredible. Joystick. Smooth, effortless. Don't even have to think about it. This is why you buy a joystick boat. Moving against the 4-knot current. Not even looking at what you're doing. One of many features that Mercury has done on these motors, incredibly convenient to check and change oil. So often owners have not done that just because they don't want to pull the cowlings off. Well, on these, you don't have to. I don't even have to move 6 inches to show you. One of the very cool pieces on this 290 sun deck is a swim step. That folds down, gives you a fantastic on and off the boat place. Whether it's for dogs, for children, it's just an awesome, awesome little piece of this boat. You've got loungers on this backrest. This is your rear lounger on the boat. These pop up, give you a fantastically comfortable spot for your legs. Of course, it wouldn't be a Sea Ray if it wasn't complete with cup holders all over the back of this boat, and they really are everywhere. In addition, underneath here is one of the biggest storage areas you're going to find on a boat this size. And guys, the details just keep coming. How about a 12-volt outlet at the back of the boat you can reach when you're standing in the water at the sandbar? Or stereo controls. If you've got small children, or you've got dogs, or you just don't want things blowing off the boat when you're ripping across the water at 50 miles an hour, transom door. Fresh water here. Step out. If you're at an inconvenient dock and you just need a little bit of extra space, Sea Ray thinks it out for you with a fantastic little derelict step. A little bit of traction right here on the gunnel for additional stepping up. You've got a sink, fresh water, your second piece. Remember, there's fresh water there as well. Then down here, you see these covers? Great little storage. You can option that with a grill on some boats, and there's actually storage down below for this particular boat, as well as tucked out of the way, 110-volt outlet for any bit of charging you need to do. Fantastic stainless fridge from Dometic. You've got batteries, battery switches below the camera there, as well as a place for your rear table. Sea Ray, of course, you can see the cup holders are in abundance. Sea Ray is thinking about the details that you guys need. Cooler stored under here and room to go a little bit larger if you want it. One of the great things I love about these SDXs, guys, this tower. Fantastic sunshade coverage, in addition to strong enough you can actually pull a wakeboarder, pull tubes, all that off, but it's designed to fold down. Only about 1.5 miles behind me, and not even, is a place called Dry Dock. The Dry Dock has height limits on their storage. Simply unscrew these right here, and this is spring assisted, so you can quite literally pull this tower up and down with one finger. You've got convertible loungers. When you've hit the sandbar and you want more room in the back, both sides do exactly the same thing. But if you're out on the water and you're for a more spirited run, you've got bolsters that fold up and let both sides stand up if they want to, if that's more convenient. Of course, forward, what would a day boat be without a fantastic head? And this really is a fantastic head. You've got a vacuum flush system from Dometic, and fresh water down below, natural light. Guys, it's really a treat to be on this boat. This particular one, there are multiple options. We like to option ours well. So you've got this incredible touchscreen Fusion stereo. All your switches are right in front of you, including optional trim tabs. There's that joystick from Mercury that I was talking about, and digital controls. These are designed with BMW, and folks, they are just a new version of the best digital controls that exist in the boat world. You've got that 12-inch, what Sea Ray calls their digital dash. This is an Evo 3 from Simrad, and it's one of the very best you can get on the market. Of course, we're in Florida. We boat all year round. So you've got the ability to close this windshield up, as well as a door here down below. Gives you the ability to close off all the air coming from the front of the boat. So if you want a boat in those couple 3-4 weeks a year we have around here that get into the 50s, that's how you do it. And then the bow. I mean, what do I need to say about the bow? More cup holders, another table, loungers. Folks, I'm 6 foot and I can't even touch the back of the loungers. There's armrests. And just to make life that little bit easier, because we're relaxing, we're on the water clearly, this boat's equipped with a windlass and a stainless steel anchor. Guys, this is our 2019 290 SDX Outboard. If you want a sand, bar, and family boat to wow your friends, frankly wow yourself, this is the boat. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. We'll see you soon.